This is my mobile studio setup that lets me film videos anywhere, and I fit my entire YouTube studio into this backpack. For a long time I have struggled to film videos outside so it wouldn't look like a basic vlog. Most setups are too big, too complicated, or just not practical. So I'll build this, my mobile studio. I can carry it with me anywhere and it lets me film within seconds. The core of the setup is the camera, Sony ZV-E10, and with 35mm lens it takes filming to completely new level. Now let me show you what I have here. So this backpack is made by company PGY Tech. I like their gear, it's high quality and it serves its purpose just perfect. So this is made from rubbery fabric. You can protect your gear. This is a splash resistant, of course. It is not submersible, so bear that in mind. The model is One Go Light 16 liter. The audio is just as important as the picture. You can have great video quality, but with poor sound, it kills everything. The whole setup fits into this backpack. It's not about carrying the studio, it's about to be always ready. I use tripod only when I need a steady shot. Otherwise, I do every filming, taking pictures, handheld. An ND filter is a must when shooting outside. Otherwise, you cannot control your shutter speed properly. So this setup is not about having the most gear, it's about being able to show up anywhere and be ready to start filming in a second. I was very careful on building this system to make it as universal as possible. If I come back to the tripod, I show you one thing that helped me like tremendous way. This is Coleman F38. What F38 means that it's kind of bracket made by Ulanzi or Falcom. And I take out my pocket tree like so, and I just slide it in. Bam! I'm ready to shoot, to start filming. Same thing on the backpack. On the shoulder strap I have another adapter, and I just take the pocket, slide it in, and that's it. That's how fast it is. And watch when I go back to this tripod. I just slide it in. That's it, same angle, same settings. So, love this thing. More information and details are coming. I want to show you everything that is in this backpack because I use it on a daily basis. It is my mobile studio and it creates system. I made my own ecosystem to make it without the friction, because when you have friction you stop filming or you stop using that gear even though the gear is great. Example, you have excellent body camera and you buy large lenses, but it's so heavy, it's so cumbersome that you take them only occasionally instead of having it ready in your backpack for any occasion that can appear. Since I have this, I am always ready to film. I bet you ask how much this setup might cost. So this is a big reveal. Everything that was on a table plus the studio light costs around $5,000. If you count in laptop, iPad and iPhone, you are almost at 10,000 US dollars. It may seem like quite a lot, but if you want to elevate your production, then I believe this is a good way to go. I have set up it in a way that there are not overpriced products. Every single piece in my equipment has its purpose, its role, and that's why I can basically shoot video within the seconds. And because of this equipment, I do not miss the shots. Do you miss your shots? Maybe you should do something different. So I thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe would be awesome. See you in the next video.